y'all, my name is Amanda and I am the Adult Programming and Outreach Coordinator here at the St. Charles Parish Library. Thank you for joining us for week 3. This week we're doing Imagine Your Story DIY mugs. So, in your program to go back this week, you will get a mug, a white ceramic mug. It'll be wrapped in this paper. I've actually saved this paper because you're also getting 2 quick dry paint pens. These will be brand new. You'll need to get them started. So what I did before I started filming is just press this down until the paint started to come up on the tip. And that way, if you want to test out a design too as you go, you can. You have this paper. So, like I said, you're getting 2 paint markers. These will be random colors. We just kind of scooped up a mug, scooped up 2 pens, and put them in the bag. So, I actually did this one as an example. You can do anything you like on your mug. And you have white already, so that's how I got my wings. We made sure not to include any white for you guys. That way you don't have to be like, okay, I just have this one color because I got white. So, taken care of. So this was just a little design that I did for y'all to have an example. I'm going to go with something a little bit different this time. I'm not going to do any words. I'm just going to do like a general design in both of the colors. And like I said, y'all can do any kind of design y'all think of. You can make it as complex or as simple as you want, which is nice. You can do a favorite quote from a person, a movie, or a book even. You can do a scene from a book that inspires you maybe, if you want to be super artistic with it. Do anything you like. I'm going to color this in on the bottom. If you're doing this with somebody that you live with, might be fun to do, make it a set. Could share markers. If you're just getting together with a friend, you could share those markers too. That way you have 4 colors, hopefully, instead of just 2. The possibilities with these guys are endless. There's so many things you can do. You could just look up DIY paint pen mug and you get tons of pictures of examples. This is going to take a little while, so I'm going to do a little bit of library magic. It worked! Awesome, awesome. So now I'm going to use the green marker and do some designs on top of the purple. I got these started earlier, just to make sure it didn't dry out in the cap. These are supposed to be quick dry. So I noticed that some of the spots that as I was coloring the purple in the beginning, it's a little lighter in some spots than others, and it kind of drug whenever I tried to keep coloring. So you may have to just press it on the paper again to get that paint flowing. If you're not a coffee or a tea drinker or hot liquid drinker, you can always make this for somebody you know that would. And then it's a nice personalized gift. Made by you. Yeah, see, I'm doing these circles on top of the purple, and as I go a little bit, the paint starts getting a little bit thinner and a little less solid in my lines. A few quick dabs on the paper and we're back in business. Let's finish up this circle. So I'm going to keep going with these circles until I reach the top and make it smaller and probably space them out a little bit differently. But after you're finished with your design, you're going to need to bake the mug to set the paint. So you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to bake the mug for 20 minutes. After those 20 minutes, you can go ahead and turn your oven off, but go ahead and leave the mug in there and allow it to cool completely before you try to remove it. That way the paint can continue to set and you don't have to worry about it being super hot. I would still recommend using a pot holder to get it out just in case you think it's cool, but it's not quite done yet. Thank you guys for joining us again. We hope you continue to journey through the rest of this programming adventure with us for the summer.